Welcome back, Money Magnets. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of entrepreneurial success. Now, when we talk about entrepreneurial success, we're not just talking about financial gains, though that's undeniably part of the equation. But to narrow it down to just money, that's missing the forest for the trees. True entrepreneurial success is about the journey, not just the destination. It's about the passion that fuels your drive, the resilience that keeps you going, and the fulfillment that comes from making a difference. It's about creating something from nothing, bringing your unique vision to life, and leaving a positive mark on the world. It's about achieving a balance, a holistic experience that brings together your personal and professional growth. It's about the lives you touch, the change you inspire, and the legacy you leave behind. Remember, success is a journey, not just a destination. Let's delve into the first key to entrepreneurial success: the power of a growth mindset. A growth mindset is that driving force that whispers in your ear, you can learn, you can change, you can progress. It's the belief that your abilities are not set in stone, but rather they can be developed over time. Take a look at the giants in the industry: Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey. What do they all have in common? They all embraced a growth mindset. They believed in their ability to learn and grow, and because of this, they were able to turn their visions into reality. A growth mindset empowers you to take on challenges, to persevere in the face of setbacks, to embrace effort as a path to mastery. It opens your world to learning and creativity, setting you on the path to success. Your mindset is the foundation. It sets the stage for everything else. Now let's talk about the magic of clear goals and vision. The significance of setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART goals cannot be overstated. Imagine trying to hit a target in the dark. That's how it feels to operate without well-defined goals. They provide a sense of direction, a roadmap that guides you toward your desired destination. But it's not just about setting goals. It's about having a clear, compelling vision for your long-term success. Your vision is your why. It's the force that pulls you forward, that keeps you motivated when the going gets tough. It's your imagined future, the impact you want to make in the world. Your goals are like stepping stones leading you towards your vision. They break down your grand vision into manageable, achievable chunks, turning the impossible into the possible. Without a clear vision and goals, you're like a ship without a compass. In the world of entrepreneurship, the only constant is change. It's a dynamic sphere where stagnation is a recipe for failure, and adaptability is the secret ingredient for success. Think about the world's most successful entrepreneurs. They are not just leaders or visionaries, they are lifelong learners, always on the lookout for new trends, technologies, and opportunities. They understand that to remain competitive, they must continuously enhance their knowledge and skills. Take, for example, Elon Musk. He didn't start as a rocket scientist or an expert in electric vehicles. However, he demonstrated an insatiable thirst for learning and an incredible ability to adapt, which led him to pioneer in industries like space travel and sustainable energy. So, as an entrepreneur, make continuous learning your mantra. Embrace change, adapt to new circumstances, and never stop growing. Stay hungry for knowledge, stay adaptable, and you'll stay ahead. Let's explore another critical component of entrepreneurial success: networking. The power of networking in the world of business cannot be overstated. It's like weaving an intricate web of connections, each strand strengthening your position, each node opening new opportunities. It's about more than just exchanging business cards at an event. It's about building meaningful, long-lasting relationships. Think of networking as cultivating a garden. You plant the seeds of connection, you nurture them with regular contact and mutual assistance, and over time, they grow into strong, fruitful relationships. These relationships can lead to partnerships, collaborations, mentorships, or simply open doors that were previously closed. Networking also enhances your knowledge pool. The more diverse your network, the more perspectives you have access to. This diversity can spark creativity, innovation, and problem-solving abilities. Cultivate your network consciously and consistently. Attend events, join online forums, engage on social media. Be genuine, show interest in others, and provide value. Remember, your network is your net worth. Now, let's face it, challenges are part of the entrepreneurial journey. Indeed, the path to success is often paved with difficulties. It's not a straight line, but a winding road filled with sharp turns, steep climbs, and occasional roadblocks. But remember, these challenges are not dead ends. They are detours that lead to new paths and opportunities. One of the first steps in overcoming challenges is acknowledging their existence. Entrepreneurs often encounter problems ranging from financial constraints, market competition, to even personal doubts and fears. Acknowledging these challenges doesn't mean accepting defeat. It means understanding the situation at hand and preparing to face it head-on. Next, it's crucial to adopt a positive mindset. The way we perceive a problem can greatly influence our ability to solve it. So instead of viewing challenges as threats, see them as puzzles waiting to be solved. This shift in perspective can make a world of difference. Another strategy is to seek advice and learn from others. Entrepreneurs are not alone in their journey. There's a whole community out there filled with people who have faced similar challenges and have managed to overcome them. Leveraging these experiences can provide valuable insights and even potential solutions. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Each setback is a lesson that can help you become better and stronger. When you stumble, don't just get back up. Analyze why you fell and how you can prevent it from happening again. Lastly, don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Entrepreneurship is all about venturing into the unknown, and sometimes overcoming challenges means stepping out of your comfort zone. But always remember, these risks should be calculated and not reckless. In the end, it's all about resilience and the willingness to persist even in the face of adversity. The entrepreneurial journey may be tough, but it's these challenges that shape you, refine your strategies, and ultimately lead to your success. Challenges are not obstacles, they are opportunities in disguise. So embrace them, learn from them, and let them guide you towards your entrepreneurial success. Let's talk about a crucial aspect that often gets overlooked: time management and productivity. Imagine your day as a giant pie. Each slice represents tasks, goals, and commitments that require your attention. The trick is to ensure that each slice gets the right amount of time without letting one slice devour the whole pie. That's where effective time management comes in. To streamline your day, consider using productivity tools. Apps like Trello or Asana can help you prioritize tasks, track progress, and stay organized. And don't forget the classic Pomodoro technique. Break your work into 25-minute chunks, each followed by a 5-minute break. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain focus and momentum. Remember, being busy doesn't necessarily mean being productive. It's about working smarter, not harder. Prioritize tasks that align with your business goals and delegate when you can. Time is the one resource you can't get more of, so make it count. Last but not least, let's delve into the world of finance. As an entrepreneur, financial literacy is as vital as breathing. It's about understanding the numbers that drive your business and making informed decisions based on them. It's about mastering the art of cash flow management, knowing where every penny is going, and ensuring your business is profitable. Understanding basic accounting principles can help you track your income and expenses and prepare financial statements. Knowing how to analyze these statements can provide valuable insights into your business performance and financial health. Budgeting and forecasting are also critical financial skills. They enable you to plan for the future, anticipate potential financial issues, and devise strategies to address them. Understanding taxes and legal obligations can help you avoid financial penalties and legal issues. It's also important to consider financial risk management to protect your business from unexpected events. Remember, financial literacy is not a luxury for entrepreneurs, it's a necessity. We've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? We started by defining entrepreneurial success, emphasizing that it's not just about financial gains, but a fulfilling business journey. We then delved into the power of a growth mindset, a crucial factor behind the success of many entrepreneurs. Next, we highlighted the necessity of setting clear, SMART goals and envisioning the impact you want to make. We discussed the importance of continuous learning and adaptability in staying relevant. We talked about the significant role a strong network plays in your business journey, and we touched on how to overcome inevitable challenges. We also emphasized the need for effective time management and shared some productivity tips. And finally, we underscored the importance of financial literacy in successfully managing your business. Remember, the journey of entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. So take these insights, apply them, and share your experiences. Thank you for joining us today, Money Magnets. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and strategies to supercharge your entrepreneurial journey.